Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Marshall County in central Iowa, northwestern Black Hawk County in northeastern Iowa, northwestern Tama County in central Iowa, south central Bremer County in northeastern Iowa, central Grundy County in central Iowa, southeastern Butler County in north central Iowa, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Holland or over Grundy Center, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Waterloo, Cedar Falls, Grundy Center, Evansdale, Hudson, Denver, Rhinebeck, Dyke, Conrad, Waterloo Municipal Airport, Crossroads Mall, Dome and McLeod Center, Janesville, New Hartford, Holland, Morrison and Georgewood State Park. This includes Interstate 380 near mile marker 73. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Black Hawk, Bremer, Butler, Grundy, Marshall and Tama.